Welcome back friends. In previous video we have learned exercise 1.1 question number 5, 6, 7, 8. In today lecture we will learn example 9 and 10. So what is example 9? Use the sign of greater than, less than or equal to in the box to make the statement true. Here you need to apply the concept of if two number are with the same sign, બે નંબરની સાઇન સેમ હોય, જો બંને પોઝિટિવ અને બંને નેગેટિવ હોય તો એડિશન ઓફ નંબર. if one negative one positive then subtraction of number. Also you need to apply the concept of addition and subtraction. If there is addition then you can directly apply the concept minus minus plus 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 plus. Minus plus become minus and plus minus become minus. Okay, but if there is a subtraction then convert the subtraction into addition by writing the inverse of next number. जो subtraction નો example હોય તો મેં તમને આગળ વિડિયોમાં શીખવાડ્યું હતું કે જો subtraction નો example હોય તો subtraction નું addition કરવાનું, પણ ક્યારે થાય એના પછીના નંબરની સાઇન ચેન્જ કરીને. It means writing the inverse of next number. So here first example -8 and -4 both are negative in addition, so perform the addition of number. બંને સાઇન સેમ છે એટલે એડિશન થાય છે. That's why it is -12. Why it is -12? Sign of greater number. On right side 1 is -8. Now subtraction is there. Convert the subtraction into addition by writing the inverse of next number. -4 become +4. One negative one positive, subtraction of number. एक negative છે positive છે તો subtraction કરવાનું. So 8 minus 4 is 4, but sign of greater number, that is minus. Now in -12 and -4 which one will be greater? -4. Why? Because on a number line -4 will be on the right side and -8 will be on a -12 will be on a left side. Left side na number બધા નાના આવે. That's why -12 is less than -4. So there will be less than sign into the bracket. Second example, -3 plus 7 minus 19. This is the sign of subtraction. So subtraction become addition. 19 become -19. Now -3 and -19 both are number with the same sign. -3 and -19 become -22. Why? Because sign of 19 is minus, so it is -22 plus 7 as it is. Now you can see -22 and +7 both are number with the different sign. So subtract the number. -22 plus 7 will be -15. Why it is -15? Because -22 is a greater number and sign of 22 is negative. Now on the right side 15 minus 8 plus -9. This is a subtraction, so convert subtraction into addition. 8 become -8 minus 9. Now -8 and -9 number with the same sign. બંને નંબરની સાઇન સેમ છે એટલે એનું શું કરવાનું? એડિશન. So it is 17. Sign of greater number is minus. 15 plus -7. 15 is positive, 17 is negative. So subtract the number. 17 minus 15 is 2. Sign of greater number is -2. Now comparison. -15 and -2. Which one will be greater? -2. Why? Because it is on the right side. So less than sign into the bracket. Now next example. 23 minus 41 plus 11. You can see that is a subtraction sign become addition. 41 become -41. ક્યારે સાઇન ચેન્જ કરવાની? જ્યારે સબટ્રેક્શન હોય ત્યારે. એડિશન માં સાઇન ચેન્જ કરવાની નથી. So plus as it is 11. Now 11 and 23 both are positive numbers. So 23 plus 11 is 34. -41 as it is. હવે 34 ની સાઇન પ્લસ છે, 41 ની માઇનસ. So subtraction of number, that is 7, but minus because 41 is greater number. Now on right side this is next subtraction. Subtraction become addition. 41 become -41. Again subtraction become addition and 11 become -11. Now you can see this is -41 and -11. So add the number. કેમ? બંનેની સાઇન સેમ છે એટલે. So 41 plus 11 is 52. Sign of greater number minus. Now 23 is at positive and 52 is negative. One positive, one negative, subtraction. 52 minus 23, that is 29, sign of greater number minus. Now which one is greater, minus 7 or minus 29? Obvious minus 7 is greater, so greater than sign into third example. Now next, 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. This is subtraction. So subtraction become addition and 15 become minus 15. Now 24 and minus 15 both are negative. So add the number 24 and 15 become 39. But what is the sign of 39? It will be minus because 24 is greater number. 39 plus minus 39. Number with the different sign. Subtraction of number 0. Next, on right side 36 plus 52. As it is now, this is a subtraction. So convert it into addition by writing the inverse of 36, that is plus 36. Now 36 and 36 same sign. So add the number, that is 72 minus 52 as it is. 72 is positive, 52 is negative, so subtraction of number, that is 20. Sign of 20 is positive because 72 is positive. Now comparison, 0 and 20. Which one will be greater? Obvious 20 is greater, so there is less than sign into the bracket. Fifth part, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51. Now addition of number. 231 as it is, 79 plus 51 is 130. Now again subtraction of number. 231 minus 130. You can perform, that is 101. Why it is 101? Because 231 is negative, 130 is positive. On right side, minus 399 as it is, 159 and 81. Both are numbered with the same sign. So add the number. So 159 plus 81 is 240. So 399 is negative and 240 is a positive number. Subtraction of numbers. So answer is 159. But it is negative. Why? Because 399 is bigger number and sign of 399 is negative. Now comparison. 101, that is negative, and 159, that is also negative. Which one will be greater? 101. Okay, so that will be greater than sign into the box. Example 10. A water tank has a step inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step, that is on the first step. The water is at the 9th step. So first he jumps 3 steps down and then jumps back 2 steps up. In how many jumps will he reach the water level? The question is what monkey is at the first step. Monkey અત્યારે first step ઉપર છે. Water is at the 9th step. પણ water level સુધી પહોંચવા માટે monkey કેવા step લે છે? In first jump 3 step down. પહેલા jump એક jump માં 3 step down જાય અને બીજા jump માં 2 step up જાય. તો total how many jumps will he take? Monkey કેટલા step jump લેશે? That you have to find. So here I draw a step that first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth and 9. Monkey here it is on the first step and water level is at the 9th step. કેવા jump લે છે? 3 jump down, 2 jump up. Okay, so in first jump monkey અત્યારે કયા step ઉપર છે? First. 3 jump down, that is first, second, third. On which step? It is on 4th step. Okay, now after 3 jump down he takes 2 jump upside, 2 steps upside. So it is 1 and 2. On which step he will be on second step. So on the second jump monkey will be on second step. Now from second, હવે અત્યારે second step ઉપર છે. He take 2 jump down, 3 jump down. So it is 1, 2 and 3. Kaya step? It is on fifth step. So on third jump. Fifth step. Now from fifth step, 2 jump upside. So 1 and 2. બે step ઉપર એટલે કયા step ઉપર પહોંચ્યો? Third. So on fourth jump. It is on third step. Okay. Now from the third. Now from the third again 3 step down. So 1, 2 and 3. On which step? It is on sixth step. So in fifth jump. Sixth step. Now from sixth step, 1 jump of 2 step on upside. So 1, 2. Again he will be on fourth step. So in sixth jump. Fourth step. Now from fourth step again 3 step down. So 1, 2, 3. He will be on seventh step. So in a seventh jump. Seventh step. Now from the seventh, 2 jump upside. So 1, 2. He will be on fifth step. Okay. Now from fifth, 3 jump down, 3 step down. So 1, 2, 3. He will be on eighth step. So from in ninth jump, he will be on eighth step. Now from 8, 2 step up. So 1, 2. He will be on sixth step. So in 10th jump, he will be on sixth step. Now from 6th, 3 step down. So 1, 2 and 3. Now he reached to the water level, so no need to jump back. Already 9th step water level સુધી પહોંચી ગઈ એટલે ફરીથી back step લેશે નહીં. So 11th jump will be on 9th step. So how many jumps he takes? You can see he takes 11 jumps. So to reach water level, he took 11 jumps. Now B part in example 10. After drinking water, he wants to go back. For this, he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down. In how many jumps will he reach back at the top step? Okay, જેમ આપણે previous example માં જોયું part A માં કે પહેલા એ ઉપર હતો એમાં કેવી રીતે નીચે જાય છે? First 3 step down and then 2 step up. Okay, now in this example monkey is on 9th step. અત્યારે monkey 9th step માં છે. હવે એને first step પર જવું છે તો એ કેવી રીતે jump લે છે? First 4 jump up and 2 step down. First 4 step up and then 2 step down, and you need to count how many jumps will he take to reach at the first step. Kitla jumps lesse. Again we need to perform the same method but from the water level. Okay, so monkey is here, it is on 9th step, 4 step out, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is first jump. First jump पर क्या step ऊपर पहुँचो? 5th step. So in first jump, monkey is on 5th step. Now from the 5th, take 2 step down. So 1 and 2. Monkey will be on 7th step in a second jump. So in second jump, he will be on 7th step. Now from the 7th step again 4 step up. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. On which step he will be? He will be on third step. So in third jump, he will be on third step. Now from this third step, 2 step down. So 1 and 2. He will be on fifth step. So in a fourth jump, he will be on fifth step. Now from the fifth step, 4 step up. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now he reached to the first step. So no need to take back jump. So in a fifth jump, monkey will be on first step. So how many jumps will he take? He take 5 jumps. So he will take 5 jumps to reach to the first step. Now, C part of this example, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and number of steps moved up by positive integer, represent his move in part 1 and 2 by completing the following series, that is -3 plus 2. Our answer is -8 and 4 minus 2 plus dash dash dash, that is +8. Now what you have to do here, you have to represent down step represented by -3 and up jump represented by +2 in first step. કેમ કે ફર્સ્ટ એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે જો ફર્સ્ટ પાર્ટ જો એમાં શું હતું કે પહેલા 3 સ્ટેપ ડાઉન જાય પછી 2 સ્ટેપ અપ. તો જે ડાઉન જાય છે એને -3 રિપ્રેઝન્ટ કરવાનું અને જે અપ આવે છે એને +2. we know that in part A there are 11 jump. કેટલા જમ્પ કર્યા હતા મંકીએ? 11 jump. so in first jump 3 step down, it will be represented by, that is downside represented by -3. now after down we took up jump, that is +2. again down, that is -3. now up, that is +2. down -3, then up +2. again down -3, up +2. ninth step, that is down. down is -3. after down, up, it is +2. 11th jump, down, that is -3. now you need to represent this as a series. you can write -3 +2 -3 +2 -3 +2 Now, I write all this number in the series. How many 3 are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. I represent all this number into the series. Now, addition of this. How we can perform the addition? First, add the negative number and then we will add positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3s are 18. Addition of 6 minus 3, that is -18. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 10. Okay, if you add -3, -3, -3, -3, -3, you will get -18. And 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is +10. Now it is -8. It represents 8 step on negative number. Now in a series of B part, you need to represent 4 minus 2 plus dash 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 is equal to 8. Means you need to add the number of up step and down step by the series. We know that in a B part, monkey took 4 step up and 2 step down. Okay, 4 step upar and pachi 2 step niche gayo. Obviously in a question it is written that up step taken as a positive and down step taken as a negative. Upar na step positive levana, niche na step negative. So in total 5 jump he took. Okay, second part ma ketla jump lida? 5. So in a first jump 4 up, that is plus 4. In a second jump 2 step down, that is minus 2. In a third jump 4 step up plus 4. In a fourth jump 2 step down, that is minus 2. In a fifth jump 4 step up, that is plus 4. Now represent all this number as a series. 4 plus minus 2 plus 4 plus minus 2 plus 4. So 4 4 4, that is 12, minus 2 plus minus 2, that is minus 4. 12 plus minus 4 is 8, that is positive.